Hi Linda, do you know about molecular thieves and the superheroes that stop them? Hi Maya, yes I do. Let me ask you, do you know what a free radical is? Are those the thieves? I heard that they steal parts of our cells and causes biological rusting. Exactly Maya. Think of a free radical as an atom that lost an electron. Atoms love their electrons to be in pairs, like happy couples. When one is stolen, that atom becomes unstable and lonely. To fix it, it attacks a healthy neighbor to steal their electron. So it's like a never-ending game of tag. If one gets it, they have to tag someone else to feel better. Spot on, Maya. That's called a chain reaction. But while they're playing tag, they're actually damaging your DNA and cell membranes. This is what we call oxidative stress, and it's triggered by things like pollution, UV rays, smoking, and even processed fried foods. That sounds scary. How do we stop them? Is that where antioxidants come in? Precisely. If free radicals are the thieves, antioxidants are the generous donors. They have extra electrons to give away to neutralize the radical without becoming unstable themselves. We measure how well they do this using the ORAC scale. How do our favorite foods rank on that scale? Is rooibos tea enough to stop the thief? Let's look at the numbers. At the lower end of the high performers, we have fresh blueberries at about 4,600 points. If we move up to rooibos tea, it sits around 600 to 1,100 points. Not the highest per gram, but great because we drink so much of it. And moving up, 70% dark chocolate hits 20,000 and goji berries reach 30,000. What about the real special forces? That's where spices come in. Turmeric and cinnamon sit between 130,000 and 160,000. Then there is ground clove, the food king, all at over 300,000 points. But the absolute heavyweight champion is clove essential oil, which can store anywhere from 1 million to over 10 million points. It is the most concentrated antioxidant source known to science. Whoa! So just a tiny bit of clove oil is like a whole truckload of blueberries? Exactly! Just half a teaspoon of ground clove has more antioxidants than half a cup of blueberries. That's amazing, but I don't want to eat dry cloves all day. Is that why my mom is using DDR Prime? That's a great way to bridge the gap. DDR Prime is a cellular complex that uses clove oil as a primary shield, but it also contains a restoration crew. While clove, thyme, and wild orange fight the thieves, frankincense, the king of oils, specializes in keeping the cell's blueprint, the DNA, healthy. Wait, so it's not just a shield, it actually helps the cell fix itself. Exactly. Free radicals can rip pages out of your DNA instruction manual. Frankincense helps support DNA integrity, so the cell follows its healthy manual. It also manages quality control by helping the body identify damaged cells and encouraging them to renew or retire through a process called apoptosis. So, if clove is the elite police force, frankincense is like the master architect making sure the building stays strong from the inside out. That's a perfect analogy, Maya. In the DDR Prime blend, clove and wild orange stop the thieves at the door, while frankincense, lemongrass and nayoli make sure the manual stays perfect. It's like having a full security system and a maintenance crew working at the same time. Precisely. I mean, my molecular thieves don't stand a chance.